Hi everyone, today we are going to review another UI UX course according to this parameter. This review will be helpful for those who are freshers or who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation. You can check out from there. So, let's start with the review. It's a UI UX designing course program by Pixxel Art, and if we go down, it's a course highlight about the overview of the UI UX and about the modules. This is the 3 months duration course and 100% placement is there. It's a good thing. They are providing 100% placement opportunities. And if we go with the tools, Figma is there, HT is there, Miro is there, Zeppelin is there, Maze is there. Many of the tools are covered, but some of the tools are missing, like Figma Make, Adobe Sketch, and Adobe Photoshop are missing in this. Also, Miro, uh, and Miro is there. If we go with the Chat GPT and Framer Invasion is also missing, which is an important tools in the UI UX. That also missing in the list of the tools. And if we go down, it's a key highlight, limited student batch, job-oriented training, real-time projects are also there, career support is also there. These are the modules and theory part, but are they going to teach you in UI UX and why choose us about career opportunities after completion of course, UI tester, developer, designer, and nothing else. Overall, the UI of this page is looking very bad. Like they are done not a proper alignment of the text, proper alignment of the buttons, and also it's a below average course for me. If we give a rating according to these parameters, it would be 0 0.5 in depth and 0 0.5 in also fundamentals. UI design quality is also 0 0.5 for me, and hands-on project is again 0 0.5 for me. Tools and software training is again 0 0.5 for me because some of the AI tools and UI UX tools are missing. Mentorship and feedback is again 0 0.5 for me. Portfolio development is 0 as there is not any project, live project are there done by their students. Placement and career support is there. Course values is fees is again 0 0.5 for me. And industry relevance update is again 0 0.5 for me. So it's a 5 out of 10, uh, and it's a below average course. Like if you want to learn on a beginner level, you can definitely go with this course, but I will not recommend this course because there are many better courses in the market which cover all the weightage related to UI UX and covers all the fundamentals. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which covers all the weightage related to UI UX fundamentals and also help in mentorship and feedback and also help in placement and career support after the completion of course. I will add the link in the description. You can check from there. Thank you.